Okay, so this is mounting the DiNotte 400R tail light, and I had considered getting the 300R tail light, and went with the 400R only because in trading in my old lights to DiNotte, it was going to wind up costing more money to get the 300R with the built-in battery when you consider some credits. Very complicated. The folks at DiNotte Lighting are very good at explaining all this. The thing that really made me want the 300R was that it's got a quick release, so it's easily detachable. This is the old 400R, which has the old style mount. As you can see, it's got a ratchet screw here, ratchet compression rather, and so when you try to take it off the bike, you had to unscrew that screw, and it was a big pain, and really it never got done. So the new style, it actually took me a minute to figure out because it's, I had feared it might come apart real easily or something, but here's the 400R, this is the tail light, and if you look at the back here, there's a slide mechanism, and I wondered how to mount this for a moment, but it turns out that what you do is you lift here, and you pull out here down below, so it's a pretty good mechanism. I think it would of course be best to mount it so you're sure that you're down like this, so if it does fall or wiggle off, it'll have to overcome gravity to pop off. So now I'm going to show you how to install the 400R. I am not technologically inclined, so if I can do this without a hitch, shows you how easy it is and how well thought out DiNotte's products are. The DiNotte products, the mounts for the tubes come in various sizes. For this particular bike, the best size for me to use is a 28.6 to 31.8 size mount with a rubber shim inside that DiNotte supplies. So that piece will go on thusly. Okay so far. And then let me just check my light position here. Yeah, that's going to be right. Okay. So I'm going to put this piece on, so you put the screw through the inside hole, and there's a seated compression nut in there, a seated nut, that it's actually stuck in place, which is handy for someone such as myself. It's tightening down. Okay, so that piece is on. And the next piece. Again, there's another seated nut, and let's see. This would be easier with a regular screwdriver, but this is what I've got right now, so. So there we go, mostly installed. And then we're just going to pop this bit on. There we go. And that's a fully detachable quick release light, rear light. I've been pleased with mine. I hope my wife is pleased with this one on her bike. And the battery mount position, I will probably wind up mounting the battery somewhere in the front part of the bike on the bottom tube. Perhaps on the stem, it depends. So it's going to depend on how easy it is to mount that light. the new XML3 that is. So, less than 5 minutes. I, as someone who's technologically not inclined, can install this light. The next thing is just going to be to adjust the position relative to the saddle pack and make sure it's visible over the back wheel, which shouldn't be that big of a problem. So we'll go from there. Next video, I'm going to install the XML3, which should take all of about 5 seconds.